Hey there, food lovers! Picture this, a perfectly poached egg with a golden, runny yolk that's so inviting, you'll want to dive right in. This microwave hack delivers silky smooth eggs faster than you can say a breakfast bliss. Trust me, it's a game changer for busy mornings. Welcome to today's quick and easy recipe for the best microwave poached eggs. It's special because you get that professional, wobbly yolk in mere seconds, without needing a pot of boiling water or any fancy equipment. This hack is perfect for busy families who want impressive results with minimal cleanup, making it both comforting and effortlessly gourmet. Now, let's get to the ingredients you'll need: 2 large eggs, 1 cup of water for each egg, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to help the whites set nicely. That's all. We're talking a total cook time of just 1 to 2 minutes, yielding 2 perfect eggs that serve 1 to 2 people. With this method, you'll have a runny yolk masterpiece ready to top your toast or salad in no time. First, let's start with the simple prep. Grab a microwave-safe bowl and crack your 2 large eggs into it one at a time, being careful not to break the yolks for that perfect ooze. Pour in 1 cup of water for each egg, so that's 2 cups total, and add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar if you're using it. This helps the egg whites firm up without making them rubbery. Gently stir the mixture just enough to submerge the eggs, watching as the clear whites begin to mingle with the water. It's like creating a little spa for your eggs. The aroma is fresh and clean, with a subtle tang from the vinegar that promises a delicate flavor. Now, for the best results, make sure your bowl is deep enough to cover the eggs fully, about 4 to 6 inches wide, and measure everything precisely to avoid any mishaps. While you're prepping, imagine the satisfaction of biting into that creamy center. It's going to be worth it. Alright, let's move to the cooking magic. Place your bowl in the microwave and cover it loosely with a microwave-safe plate to trap the steam, which acts like a mini poacher. Set your microwave to high power, around 800–1000 watts, and cook for 1 minute for 1 egg or up to 2 minutes for 2, but start with 45 seconds and check to avoid overcooking. Keep an eye on it through the door. You'll see the water bubbling gently and the egg starting to set around the edges, with the whites turning opaque while the yolk remains jiggly. That's your cue for perfection. Listen for the soft simmering sound, indicating the steam is working its wonders, and the eggs will release a fresh, eggy aroma that fills your kitchen. Exact time is key here. For a runny yolk, stop at 1 minute if your microwave is powerful, and use a thermometer if you have one to ensure the internal temp hits about 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for food safety. While that's cooking, the eggs will transform from raw to silky smooth right before your eyes. Now for the second phase, carefully remove the bowl using oven mitts. It's hot. Use a slotted spoon to gently lift the eggs out, letting excess water drain away, and pat them dry on a paper towel for that pristine look. If you want to build more flavor, here's a pro tip: add a pinch of salt or herbs to the water before microwaving for an extra layer of taste, like a hint of freshness from chives. For variations, if you prefer firmer yolks, microwave in 10-second bursts until it reaches your desired doneness, or experiment with adding a splash of olive oil for a richer texture. As the eggs cool slightly, you'll notice the whites firming up while the yolk stays lusciously liquid, creating that irresistible contrast. This step really locks in the flavors, making your poached eggs even more versatile for toppings or sides. For the final touches, season your poached eggs with a sprinkle of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, enhancing that creamy yolk with a savory kick. Gently place them on a slice of toasted bread or a bed of greens for plating, drizzling a bit of olive oil if you like for extra shine. The eggs look absolutely gorgeous now, glossy whites with a vibrant yellow center that's begging to be broken. You'll smell the fresh, subtle egg aroma mixed with any herbs, and the texture is silky smooth with a slight firmness on the outside. This is the moment to admire your creation, a simple yet elegant dish that's ready to wow. Now, for the best part, let's dig in. Taking that first bite, you'll experience the pure joy of a runny yolk that cascades out, coating everything in rich, velvety goodness with layers of creamy egg flavor. The texture is spot on, tender whites that hold their shape paired with that gooey center, making it feel indulgent yet light. What makes this special is how the microwave hack preserves the fresh, natural taste without any rubbery edges, perfect for pairing with avocado toast or a fresh salad. For storage, if you have leftovers, cool them quickly and refrigerate for up to 2 days, then reheat gently in the microwave. Try variations like adding smoked salmon for a luxe twist, or keep it simple for a healthy breakfast option. Overall, it's a foolproof way to enjoy poached eggs anytime, leaving you craving more. I can't wait for you to try this microwave poached eggs recipe and share your results in the comments. Did you get that perfect runny yolk? Be sure to subscribe for more easy recipes every day, and don't miss tomorrow's video on quick avocado toast hacks. Let's keep cooking up magic together.